Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing out the Ardell Nail Addict press-on nails. If you're interested, just keep watching, but before we start the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you comment down below any other press-on nail brands you would like to see me try. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and let's start this video. Ardell Nail Addict press-on nails. I think these retail for around $10. I'm not 100% sure because I did pick this set up at TJ Maxx for around $3. So like most press-on nail sets, this does come with everything you need to apply these nails. It does come with a baggie with the extra nails in it. It also comes with glue, a double-sided file, and a cuticle tool. So the first thing I am going to be doing is using that double-sided file, and I am just going to start by filing my nails. This does have two sides. One side is rough and one side is not as rough. I'm going to be using the more rough side, and I'm just going to be filing down the edges of my nails so none of my nails peek through the press-on nails. Of course, this is after I have already cut my nails, but I did not video that step. So I'm not going to be going super in depth with all the steps to apply these nails because I do have multiple other videos here on my channel where I go in depth on how and why I do these steps to apply my press-on nails to last up to 2 weeks. So I will link those videos in the description of this video if you want to check those out. And now I'm just going to flip over to the softer side of that file, and I am just going to be filing my nail beds. This is just going to rough the nails up so you can apply the glue and the press-on nails. Next, I am just going to be taking that cuticle tool and just pushing back all my cuticles. Now I'm ready to start sorting the press-on nails, so I'm just going to dump them all out in a pile and start picking which nail fits best on my nails. So all the nails are numbered on the inside, so once you find the nail that fits, you can just look for the number of the nail and find the matching set. So as you guys can see, there are some accent nails, but something I did notice that the Kiss press-on nail set I used last time did have more accent nail options than this Ardell set. There are still quite a few different options you could use for the accent nails, but not as many as the Kiss press-on nails. And that could just be for this specific set. I'm not really sure. Last time I used an Ardell nail press-on kit was quite a while ago, and I don't really remember, but there was only one option for the accent nail for your pointer finger. All the rest of the nails had plenty of options to choose from, and you can kind of pick your own design because there are accent nails, so you can kind of lay it out how you want. So now all the nails are picked out and it's time to start gluing them on. Something I do remember from last time is that the Ardell nail glue is amazing. In my opinion, it's by far one of the better nail glues I have tried that comes with the sets. The Kiss press-on nail glue, it works, but it's not my favorite. This one definitely works way better. So I'm just going to be gluing them on, and like I said before earlier in the video, if you need more in-depth instructions on how I glue these on to last 2+ weeks, I will be linking videos in the description of this video. Okay, so here's what my nails look like after applying them. I'm definitely loving these and they're super cute, and I really want to try more of the Ardell nails. So I will be giving you guys a wear test, so stay tuned for the end of the video, and I'll be updating you guys around the 2-week point and just seeing how well they lasted and my final thoughts on them. Okay, so it has been 2 days over 2 weeks. So I did make it to 2 weeks with these nails on. And just some things I want to point out. You guys probably noticed in the previous clip that when I first applied the nails, they are coffin shaped, but now they look more rounded and kind of almond shaped. And that's just probably from the wear of the nails. Also, you can kind of tell that the color of the nails is kind of discolored a little bit, but I am really impressed because I only did lose 4 nails, and those 4 nails fell off like in the last couple of days. They did last really long. I really like this Ardell nail glue. I think it works great. So I'm really impressed. Overall, I think I did lose a few rhinestones on the nails, but overall, I'm really impressed, and I definitely think I got my money out of it, and I do want to try more.